Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will safely disable unnecessary services in Windows 11 to improve performance, reduce RAM usage, and make your system faster and smoother. First, click on Windows Search and type Services, then open the Services app. Here you will see a long list of background services running on your system. Now before we start, keep one important thing in mind. Only disable the services that you are sure you don't use. Disabling the wrong service may affect some features, so follow the steps carefully. Let's start with the first one. Go to the B section and find BitLocker Drive Encryption Service. This service is used to encrypt your drives for security. If you are not using BitLocker, you can disable it. Double-click on it, set Startup Type to Disabled, click Stop, then Apply and OK. Now move to the C section and look for Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. This service collects usage data and sends it to Microsoft. If you don't need it, disable it the same way. Next, scroll to the D section and disable these services one by one. Diagnostic Execution Service, Diagnostic Policy Service, Diagnostic Service Host, and Diagnostic System Host. These services mainly track system issues and send feedback, but they also consume system resources. After that, look for the fax service. Most users don't use fax on their PC, so if you don't use it, disable it. Now find File History Service. This is used for automatic backups. If you are not using file history, you can disable it. Next, go to Geolocation Service. If you don't use location-based apps, you can safely disable this as well. Now move to the End section and find Netlogon. If your PC is not part of a domain network, you can disable it. After that, go to the P section and disable parental controls if you are not using it. Also, find Phone Service and disable it, as most users don't use phone integration features. Next is Print Spooler. Be careful here, only disable this if you are not using a printer. Otherwise, keep it enabled. Now look for Program Compatibility Assistance Service. This helps older apps run on newer Windows versions. If you don't need it, you can disable it. Next, disable Secondary Logon if you don't use multiple user credentials frequently. Then find Smart Card Service. If you don't use Smart Card Authentication, disable it. Now one very important service, Sysmain. If your system is running on an SSD, you can disable Sysmain to improve performance. But if you are using an HDD, you may keep it enabled. Finally, look for Wallet Service. If you are not using any digital wallet features on your PC, you can disable it as well. Once you complete all these steps, restart your computer. After restarting, your system should feel faster, more responsive, and lighter. So this is how you can safely disable unnecessary services in Windows 11 and boost your system performance. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.